The tax deadline is April 15th, just 7 days away. You might be about to file your return without claiming valuable deductions worth hundreds or thousands of dollars. This isn't due to any mistake on your part. Last year's tax code changes may leave you unaware of new deductions. In July 2025, Congress passed the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, introducing new deductions available for the first time this filing season. Most tax software will prompt you about them, but if unaware, you'll miss them, and the IRS won't remind you. This video reviews deductions you can still claim before April 15th, many of which can be acted on now. If you find this useful, please subscribe. We tackle these topics weekly. Quick disclaimer: this is educational, not personal tax advice. Always verify with a licensed CPA or tax software before filing. Let's review these deductions. First, many will miss the new tip income deduction. If you earned tips as a server or driver, $25,000 of tip income may be deductible, meaning it won't count as taxable income. A person in the 22% bracket earning $15,000 in tips could save over $3,000. There are income limits. The deduction phases out above $150,000 for singles and $300,000 for married couples. Employers should report tips on your W-2 in Box 8 or 12. Cash tips not reported by your employer still qualify for the deduction. Claim this on Schedule 1A. Ensure your tax software is updated to include it. The second deduction affects millions who work overtime. The extra half in time and a half overtime pay may now be deductible up to $25,000. If your overtime pay is defined by the Fair Labor Standards Act, you qualify. Again, this is reported on Schedule 1A. Next, the SALT deduction limits have changed. From 2018 through 2024, it was capped at $10,000. Now, for 2025, deduct up to $40,000 in state income, sales, and property taxes, combined for incomes under $500,000. If your SALT is significant, it may make itemizing beneficial compared to the standard deduction of $15,000 for singles and $30,000 for married couples. Accurate entry of state and local taxes is crucial for tax software to calculate correctly. For seniors, a new deduction of $6,000 for single filers and $12,000 for couples age 65 or older is available. This deduction reduces taxable income based on your tax bracket and phases out for incomes over $75,000 for singles. The fifth deduction concerns new vehicles. If you bought a car assembled in the U.S., the auto loan interest paid in 2025 may be deductible up to $10,000. Check for Form 1098 VLI from your lender for verification. You can still contribute to a traditional IRA up to $7,000 for 2025 if you do it by April 15th, 2026. If you're over 50, the limit is $8,000. This contribution can significantly lower your tax burden. Health savings accounts, HSA, can also be funded until April 15th. If you have a qualifying high-deductible plan, contribution limits are $4,300 for individuals and $8,550 for families. Self-employed individuals have an additional option, a SEP IRA, allowing contributions up to 25% of net income, maximizing at $70,000 for 2025. Next, consider missed credits that can reduce your tax bill. The Savers credit could benefit you if your contributions to retirement accounts qualify. Income thresholds for this credit are approximately $36,000 for singles and $72,000 for married couples. The Energy Efficient Home Improvement Credit can yield up to $3,200 for eligible home upgrades. Ensure you have manufacturer certification documents when filing for this credit. If you can't file by April 15th, consider filing for an extension. It gives you until October 15th, but ensure you pay any taxes owed by April 15th to avoid penalties. In summary, new 2025 deductions include tips, overtime, and higher SALT cap, plus additional benefits for seniors and auto loans. New contributions to IRAs and HSAs can still happen, and watch for savers and energy-efficient home improvement credits. If you need more time, file an extension and pay estimated taxes. The IRS won't remind you about missed deductions. That's your responsibility. Check everything before submitting. If this video helped, subscribe for weekly updates. Share it with anyone yet to file. They still have time before April 15th.